welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to add File Explorer on Start menu in Windows 11 PC. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. First of all, open your Windows setting. For that you need to key Windows plus I key. Then click on personalization. Then click on start. Then click on folder. You can see here File Explorer. Turn on or enable this option. Then close it. Open start menu. You can see here File Explorer add in start menu. So in this way add File Explorer in start menu on Windows 11 PC. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.